What's up, y'all? Welcome to Dee LaVigne. If you're new, welcome. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys such an amazing gift idea. It's literally a PRADA clutch that you can get for $250. Yes, you heard that right. $250 for a PRADA clutch, but you don't get just a clutch. You get 4 full-size lipsticks. So this is one of their gift sets. I have been really into finding and researching and looking up all the best holiday gift sets for you guys this season. So stay tuned for more future videos on the ones that I personally recommend and prefer. But first, I wanted to start off with a bang with this one because I feel like this was one of the best. I mean, I looked at all of the brands. I looked at Dior, I looked at Chanel. I was very close at getting one of the Chanel Discovery sets. But ultimately, I felt like this one was a much better deal, especially for the price and the value of everything that you're getting. So let me go ahead and stop talking and unbox this beauty with you guys and show you all this PRADA clutch. This is what the packaging looks like. This is what it looks like. I haven't even opened it myself, so I'm doing a live unboxing with you guys. But this is a picture of what it looks like. So it's like metallic, that silver metallic color, and then it says Prada Milano in gold metallic, which I love. I feel like, dude, those are perfect colors to wear with like your holiday outfit, your holiday dress, or a little party you're going to. It also comes with these 4 lipsticks, and they're full-size lipsticks, and I love, love, love the colors. Like, you know how some gift sets, they kind of just have some stuff like that's kind of just disposable. Like, why did you include that in there? I feel like all these colors are absolutely beautiful and universal for all skin tones. So the name of these lipsticks is Mahogany, Quartz, Fuoco, and Knot. So it's BO3, BO2, R28, and P56. All right, now let me show y'all. I'm actually really, really excited because I haven't seen it in person yet. Oh, it's so pretty. I love the packaging. Y'all know I'm a sucker for packaging. Well, if you didn't know, now you know. Wow, look at you guys. Before I take it out, so here it is. What I love about this, and a lot of beauty gift sets, like people say, oh, you could wear it as a clutch, but a lot of them you can tell that they are like from the beauty line, not an actual handbag. But this one, what I love about this one is that it doesn't say like Prada Beauty or whatever anywhere. It says just Prada Milano, just like a regular clutch would. Okay, how am I gonna take this out? It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, it feels very substantial too, which I like. You guys, like, how cute is this? What? Oh my gosh, I love. Okay, now let's open her up. Okay, how do we open her? Oh, okay, like this. Wow, oh my gosh, how cute is this, you guys? So it does say Prada Beauty in the inside, on the inside. So, I mean, look, it comes with a whole mirror, a mirrored clutch in this piece. Wow. So here's the lipstick that it comes with. Wow, beautiful shade. So this is the B03. Beautiful. I'll do close-ups of these lipsticks for you guys to see. And then it comes with these 3 full-size lipsticks that are refillable that you can put into this one right here. So love, love these colors. Wow. You see the next one. Yeah, I gotta be real. The lipsticks are just a bonus, honestly. I really got it for the clutch. Like, I feel like just the clutch alone was worth the price. So I feel like, you know, it just came packed. But these lipsticks are definitely gonna come in handy for the holiday seasons. They're such beautiful shades of red. Wow. I love And then this third one, share with you guys. Wow, this one's really pretty too. And I have a tween daughter, so, you know, she's gonna love these. She gets to, she's watching in the background like, yes, I am gonna love it. I'm gonna give her some of these. So here's the fun part. This is removable. And here you have a beautiful clutch. So like you could put your PRADA lipstick in here, these three. You could put a card holder and it just closes like that. And it's a clutch. Ah, it's so cute. So I am seeing little bits of like fingerprint marks, but honestly, who really cares? You gotta hold it, right? Like, I think it is so beautiful. Wow. It's so cute, you guys. Worth I literally couldn't find another gift set that I actually wanted to review for you guys and recommend to you guys first besides this one. So my phone actually doesn't fit. It will fit if I take the case off, but honestly, that's not an issue for me because I don't like to carry my phone in my bag. I usually like hold on to it. But it definitely will fit a lippy. You could fit a card holder because I have seen reviews and pictures on the Nordstrom website. That's where I got mine from Nordstrom. And they had pictures of, you know, card holders and like a key fob. So all your essentials definitely can fit in this clutch. And I just think it is so pretty and so beautiful and perfect for the holiday season. It's definitely a highly recommended holiday gift set, in my opinion. I'll link it down below for you guys. I'm going to be watching for this because it goes in and out of stock. Like, it is sold out and then come back in stock, and then it'll sell out again, and then it'll come back in stock. So it is a hot item right now as I'm filming this video. It's not in stock, but check down below in the description box because maybe I'll have a link and find it somewhere to that it is in stock. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. And I hope you guys enjoy these videos. I have actually a couple other sets coming in the mail for you guys to review and share with you guys. Some that I absolutely love and recommend, and the price points like amazing. I like literally a YSL one I think was like $40, and it was just like y'all don't know, okay? And there's a lot to like decipher through, so I feel like it's really fun for me. Like, I literally I've been taking it serious. Like, I've been looking and comparing different gift sets because who wants to buy a bunch? Like, there's so many out there, and I don't know. It's fun just hunting and finding like the best value, the best bang for your buck sort of thing. But yeah, definitely couldn't wait to review this one for you guys and share with you guys, and also so that I can start using it myself. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I feel like this is the cutest thing ever, and you will be seeing it online in little photos and stuff like that. All right, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you enjoy videos like this, please subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you hit that bell. That way YouTube will notify you every single time I put out a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.